Hi, I am Sarwar from BitApps. Today I am going to show you how to add custom iframe button on your website. So to add a custom iframe button on your website, I am using BitAssist plugin. So let's go to WordPress dashboard and click on BitAssist. Add widget, give a widget name. Now click on create button, click on three dots and edit it. Add channel, custom iframe. You can change here the title name.
I keep
Title name same default title name. You can also add custom image by upload the image and give here iframe URL. Here is some advanced features in our pro version. You can hide after office hours on and off it. Also channel shows in desktop or mobile version. So I keep it both. Now click on save button. So now let's go to my WordPress page and refresh the page. Now click on Bit Assist and click on custom iframe. Here you can see which I selected the iframe from Google Maps and my desired location. So you can also add your own location by from Google Maps by copy iframe HTML and custom iframe. So in this way you can add your iframe button on your website. So thanks for watching this video.